myself, Monica Sani, and my university number is 923, and my class number is 217, and my project name is Vehicle Information System. The transport has become such a mania that it can have all where. Each and every person have a vehicle, whether it is a two vehicle or three wheel vehicle, two tire vehicle means. And so I decide to make the project on the vehicle information system. That that COVID-19 is spreading, so everyone wants the vehicle to buy online, or their RTO is on online, and the like all the parts they want to buy and sell online. So I decide to make project on the vehicle information system. If I talk about the existing system, there's a lot of drawbacks of the existing system. Like like in the existing system, all things are manually, each and everything are manually, and for each and different things, like for selling a part, buying a vehicle, or making the finance, taken or doing the insurance of the vehicle, we have
Okay.
to go to a different places. So these drawbacks I have to decide to do in one site, like the insurance, the finance, the RTO in the one site. So the person don't have to go anywhere, different places. They have to go through a one site only and do whatever they want to do. So my objective I clear. The objective of the web application to completely automate the process of the vehicle information system. The main objective of my project is to provide the service only in one site or one platform. Okay, sir. Okay, here's my project. So this is my project, vehicle information. There are different module like customer, administration, RTO, police, workshop, and finance. We have to provide the username and the password. Then we have to log into different modules. Like I have to log into the customer. I have to provide the username. This is the home page of the user. I go to home, personal, vehicle information, insurance, service, and the police, the RTO, the mailbox. And if I log out and go through another module, like I go through admin, this is the admin home page. For the admin can add the customer, add the vehicle parts, or add the worker, hire an employee. This is the RTO page. If they want to renew their RC and to transfer the RC, then he can contact here. Other options, account, ये password change करने का sir, and same as the other module sir, like police and the finance. Workshop में is the workshop sir. Here we can sell and buy the parts. We can also send the message to the different modules, like police send the user can send the email to the police regarding the theft and the vehicle, such as. Sir, I can do the enhancement in this project, like I can change the front end designing and change the database as I use the MS Access, as I use the small scale project मैंने बनाया है, इसलिए मैंने MS Access use किया है. But I can change, I can also change the database for the if I use the project for the bigger scale, then I can use the MS SQL or the Oracle, or I can add on the chat on process, like customer can
Okay.
chat with
Open
the
the code window.
police.
Open the code window.
Okay sir, wait a second sir.
What technology you use in Java?
Java sir, servlet and JSP.
Okay, servlet and JSP.
Yes
Both.
sir.
Okay.
Yes sir.
Show me some servlet pages.
This one, this servlet pages sir. Sir, I can use the JSP in the servlet, like this is the JSP page, and this is the coding of the HTML, and this
Your
is the
whole project
Java
is in
coding,
JSP
like servlet.
Okay.
Yes sir. Like this, sorry, this is the coding of Java. Sir, can I explain this?
Yes, yes.
Sir, this is this is user login JSP. This I import the Java SQL and Java util package. Then this is the HTML coding about the creating a table and creating a table row and tr table data. Then there is the Java coding. Like सर जो हम इस ब्रैकेट में लिखते हैं, ये वाले ब्रैकेट में, दिस वन द जावा कोडिंग इसके अंदर होती है. तो हमने यहाँ से क्या किया है, सेशन का गेट एट्रीब्यूट लिया है जिससे हमारी कस्टमर आईडी आ जाएगी, और कस्टमर आईडी जो S91 है इसमें स्टोर हो जाएगी. देन इसमें स्टोर हो जाएगी तो फिर हम एक क्वेरी चलाएंगे जिसमें वो जो है मतलब कि जो यूजर इन्फो है कस्टमर आईडी इस नाम से, वो सारी यूजर इन्फो इस क्वेरी में आ जाएगी. देन हमने ड्राइवर क्लास लिया, फिर कनेक्शन क्रिएट किया है, स्टेटमेंट क्रिएट किया है, फिर जो रिजल्ट सेट है उसके अंदर इस सारी क्वेरी आ जाएगी. और अगर रिजल्ट सेट ऐसा कोई है,
व्हाट यू यूज फॉर कनेक्टिविटी?
सर MS Access, ODBC.
Okay.
Yes, ODBC drivers.
Because you are connecting with the Access, so that
yes sir, MS Access. और I use the JDK7 because the MS Access की जो connectivity है वो खाली JDK7 तक मतलब है. JDK8 से
why you use Access? Why you use Access as a database? Why not Oracle?
स्मॉल स्केल प्रोजेक्ट के लिए सर, मैंने स्मॉल स्केल के लिए बनाया, अभी बहुत बड़े उसके लिए नहीं बनाया, स्मॉल स्केल के लिए बनाया, इसलिए मैंने MS Access यूज किया. और MS Access जो है विंडो के साथ बहुत अच्छा कोऑपरेटिव होता है, इसलिए मैंने MS Access यूज किया. मैंने वही बोला सर, इनहेंसमेंट करनी है, अगर मुझे बड़े स्केल बनाना है तो मैं Oracle से बना सकती हूँ.
ओके मोनिका.
और मैंने जावा इसलिए यूज की है सर क्योंकि ये प्लेटफॉर्म इंडिपेंडेंट होती है, डाटाबेस इंडिपेंडेंट होती है. मैं एक अपने सिस्टम पे लिख के मैं इसको वेदर कहीं भी रन कर सकती हूँ, इसलिए मैंने जावा यूज किया.
ओके.